Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. My channel provides videos on a wide range of health topics. So please subscribe to my channel. In this way, you will never miss any of the new updates. In today's video, we will speak about cough, how many types of cough there are, home remedies for cough, and some tips as well. Coughing is an involuntary act by which the body tries to get rid of various irritants, thus preventing their penetration into the lungs. This occurs when the throat becomes irritated due to viruses or even dust. And also, it has a beneficial purpose for the body. The cough may continue to persist longer than necessary. A persistent cough, as you know, can be very annoying. The thing about the cough, though, is that it is not an illness. It is the symptom of an illness. The cough can be wet with mucus, dry, mucus-free, and mixed. Wet cough is a chest cough and occurs as a reflex mechanism for expelling irritating factors through abundant mucus secretion. It is common in inflammatory diseases as asthma, recurrent sinusitis, COPD, heart failure. A dry cough is a sore throat, irritating and mucus-free cough, which should be calmed and encouraged, not inhibited. It is found in allergies, tuberculosis, ENT or heart conditions, chronic iron deficiencies. Mixed cough occurs as a consequence of incomplete treatment at various stages of healing. Most of the time, the cough cannot be controlled and becomes annoying, both in terms of sound and the comfort of your own throat. So here are the main types of cough, how you can figure out which one you suffer from, and especially what home remedies against cough you can use. One of the oldest and best natural products, honey, due to its antibacterial properties, will help you in case of dry cough to eliminate the bacteria responsible for this symptom. Thus, it is necessary to take 3 tablespoons of honey a day, both to soothe the feeling of discomfort and dry cough. Another natural remedy is lemon mixed with honey. Cut a peeled lemon into small pieces and pour enough honey over it. Leave it for at least 15 minutes, after which you can take a teaspoon 3 times per day. It is preferable not to eat and drink anything for 30 minutes after taking the lemon syrup. Lemon syrup with honey soothes cough, soothes itching and stinging in the throat, strengthens the body, and is recommended in flu and colds. Flaxseed. Flaxseeds naturally soothe sore throat, reduce lung discomfort, and eliminate cough in a few days. Put 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a cup of hot water and let stand for 10 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and consume 1 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day. Black pepper. In traditional Chinese medicine, pepper is one of the best remedies for a wet cough. At its core, it has a good effect on the body. Black pepper stimulates circulation, and honey added to reduce unpleasant taste has a slight antibiotic effect. To prepare tea, is enough a teaspoon of black pepper with 2 tablespoons of honey in a cup of hot water. Cover and leave for 15 minutes. Strain and drink hot. Liquids at room temperature. Hydration is essential if the cough is a symptom of a cold or flu. According to studies, drinking fluids, water or tea at room temperature reduces coughing and sneezing and soothes an irritated throat. Chocolate. If you regularly eat chocolate and products that contain cocoa, you are more likely to get rid of the cough problem. Studies have shown that the bromine in cocoa beans helps fight dry cough without side effects. The bromine blocks the activity of the nerve in the brain responsible for cough reflux. Warm lemonade. Lemon contains vitamin C, soothes sore throat, and helps eliminate toxins. Add the juice of a lemon in a cup, put a tablespoon of honey, and pour hot water. Drink this liquid immediately after cooking. Bananas. Another healthy cough remedy is banana. Preferred for both children and adults, the treatment involves mixing 2 crushed bananas with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 400 ml of hot water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. It is administered 100 ml 4 times a day immediately after heating. Onion wine. Onion wine has an antiseptic, analgesic, and antibiotic role, reducing bacteria and calming cough. Peel and grate 5 onions. Add a liter of white wine and 100 grams of honey. Leave to soak for 8 days, then strain. Take 50 ml 3 times a day, 30 minutes before a meal. To cure the cough associated with the cold, drink as much ginger tea with honey and lemon, and 1 or 2 cups of freshly squeezed lukewarm orange juice. Oregano oil. An infusion of oregano oil works for a persistent cough. Even Dr. Oz recommends boiling a liter of water, putting 3-4 drops of oregano oil, and make inhalation with a towel on your head. Peppermint or eucalyptus oil. On a handkerchief soaked in oil, hold close to the nose. Helps if we have a problem with the nasal passages, acting as a local discongestant and disinfectant. Hot milk. Drink a glass of warm milk sweetened with honey before bed. Not only will it get rid of the cough, but will help you sleep very well. Grapes. Grapes are known for their benefits on the lungs. However, these fruits also act as a good expectorant. The bunches of grapes mimic the shape of the lungs very well. Despite of their high caloric value, grapes are considered a food medicine due to the rich vitamin content. Grapes are especially indicated in the treatment of asthma. Tricks to relieve a cough at night. Drink water. Massage your chest with eucalyptus oil, and you can apply vapor rub as well. Onions are a remedy traditionally used. Cut this vegetable in half and leave the pieces on a plate next to the bed. Sleep with the pillow up. Last but not least, try to sleep as much as possible. Your body needs to be rest in order to fight bacteria. These recommendations are valid both if you face dry and wet cough. Certainly, the best cough treatments are natural ones, made from ingredients high in vitamins and which can treat irritation and prevents possible illness. However, if your condition or that of your loved ones worse, the recommendation is to schedule a consultation and follow the advice of a specialist. I hope you have learned something from my video. Also, if you would like to see any video in particular, please leave a comment below. My channel has similar videos, very interesting. So do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That way, you will catch the latest updates. Thank you for watching.